Yeah, them Irie. Yeah, them Irie. That is it. You know the thing going on. What we there? Stop it, Daddy. Daddy, hold on there. This is the one little moment where little fire go burn tonight. After this a bass lock me so kind of. So me have to say it. All nasty father, all nasty mother, all nasty brother. If you're in a Sumfest tonight, you know it's a rape and incest and child molestation to get burned out. Go so boom, 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 in the bomb outside now. Yeah! On Monday, me I got a court with my father. Because when I sit down, I'm in a victim, boy. Hear me now, no man. Whoa, yeah, yeah, so yeah, yeah. Daddy, don't touch me there. I'm gonna tell a new one day, I swear. Can't you? Hey, pull up that thing, cause too much I repeat it, I get real, boy, everybody comfortable, you know. Yeah! Well. Ah, yeah. Daddy, don't touch me there. I'm gonna tell a new one day, I swear. Can't you see I'm scared? You're supposed to be my father. Whoa. Daddy, don't touch me there. I'm gonna tell a new one day, I swear. Can't you see I'm scared? You're supposed to be my father. Every day I wonder why my daddy had to be the one to take away my innocence. Oh, sometimes I wanna die, feels like no one cares for me, and it's evident that something must be wrong with me. I'm not as happy as I seem to be. The long showers I take don't wash away the memories. Why do I have to face these tragedies? We go through struggles in life, I'm aware. To have my daddy touching me, that's just not fair. Stop him from destroying my future. Believe me, he's behaving like a... I just like out tomorrow, a little bit from the finals. No found support Spanish, I no can't talk no Spanish. But now support Argentina and Spain. Hear this. Papa no me toque ahí. Un día juro habrá de ti. No puedes verme temor, eres mi papá, mi protector. Siempre pienso en la razón por la que me roba mi inocencia. A veces me siento suicida, nadie no me cuerda por la espera evidencia. Debe ser un problema conmigo. Asaltan police como aparezco las musas haga que te mano por eliminar las memorias. Porque debo afrontar estas traerías. Ay, yeah. Papa, leg on that again. Yes, I. You know the thing come down in our Sumfest. And we are the survivor, boy. I hear that. Never bow, never sell, we soul. We quarrel and we fight. But we're gonna make it up, boom. Yo, we're gonna make it up, boom. Hear me now, my Reggae Sumfest. Me and me love for Rosalee. Why? Attile. You know it, Bamba Clark come down, no? Hey. We come down, me like the Rosalee and Jake, boy. Hear me now, man. We quarrel and we, hey. Me and me love for just always a fight, but him know when fed up to make me smile get bright. War and him left and no come back till late in the year was with a bunch of the nicest. And even though me vex till me blood a boil, one look below the waist of me humble like a child. Can't help it, me good night the feeling. Plus him a tell me with him both faith. Yo, you know me not gonna knock you down. No, me pull up that. Yeah. All of the real man never let go no woman and know so now keep the relationship together. What's up, blam. Yeah, we quarrel and we fight. Me and me love for just always a fight, but him know when fed up he make me smile get. War and him left and no come back till late in the year was with a bunch of the nicest. And even though me vex till me blood a boil, one look below the waist and me humble like a child. Can't help it, me couldn't hide the feeling. Plus him a chill me with the most sweet talking. You know me not gonna knock you down. Now me just want to hold you down. Him say go and go put on your tongue, baby. And before you know it is another baby. Me know you're not gonna knock you down. Now me just want to hold you down. Him say go on but put on your tongue, baby. And before you know it is enough. This is the thing about a quarrel, is when everything no work out. But if you got anything like me and me bills, even when me just done my lesson for days, swear to me I gonna left him not change him tricky ways. We love for one another, make everyone amazed. The children believe in everything he says. We only going through a phase, so come tell me sorry. Unless you say me left him down, unless you say me left, yeah, unless you knock you up, bomb, hey, left up. Randy, salute to all inner city youths in the building tonight, all inner city people. You know we represent for the ghetto every time, you hear that? We don't sell to the youth, them say, roll up on the head and leg of the violence, you hear that? Talk dead no nice, gunshot no nice, you hear that? Hey. Sitting on a bench of reminisce on the things we used to do. Pull up! On behalf of every ghetto girl that lose their man to violence, hear that? Yeah! Randy. Sitting on a bench of reminisce on the things we used to do. Even though me know you hate the shatter list, me try my best to talk to you. It was a joy just to tell a girl, say my man we bust your skull. Stepping as the wife of a criminal, don't really make no sense at all. Cause him go, never did a guard him wanted. Fire turn on, up on the concrete him drop dead. Sometimes I miss you. Me and the picnic them alone, they you know. Now get no help from the power no show. Me did that try to tell you, say you reap for your soul. God won't forgive you. Randy, I wish I... Let go that again. I have a brand new album coming out on the 14th of August. All who inside here and love Queen Ifrica, you know what to do. Sing, stream, like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. Good, enough people say why Queen Ifrica they're on Sumfest tonight. They can't tell them career start same time in the year 2000s there. Yes, so I say. Yeah, and I'm here at the brave face to stand up in the middle of the whole of them and tell themselves to look out for the children. And we still are doing 2026 tonight. With no fear around that. Hear that? Yeah, run one more track. That one on your roll call on the straight cocky man them in the audience tonight. We want to see if the Jamaican man there, we're still straight. We still love boom boom. We are looking at boom boom to go home with tonight. We want to see the gun on them in the bomber class sky like this. Bam, 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 bam. Hey, hear me now, man? You feel like a Batman tipping. Bomber, hey, left up. Hey, hear me now, man? Listen, me I behave myself tonight, you know. Hey, we got to make it better. For the youth and future, no apology. All right then, oh well. Got to make it better. Children are our future. We're over in the forward, there's a Sumfest. Tell them, you feel like a Batman, keep it to you. Don't bring it to Jamaican, keep it to you. We don't want that a jam rock, keep it to you. We can't take no more slackness. You can't change the laws of man, but yo, make it ready, bro, make it ready. Left up that. Say boom, 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 boom. Right away. Hear that? Make it run. We got to make it better. For the youth and future, now. All right then. Big up yourself in a jaw. Come in and say your cock is straight. Boop. Got to make it better. Hear me now, man? You feel like a Batman, keep it to yourself. Now bring it to Jamaican, keep it to you. We don't want that a jam rock, keep it to yourself. We can't take no more slackness. Can't change the laws of man, but you can't change the laws of God. So if them not dinner because them glad. What if we change I must be mad? Somebody tell me what is happening. I don't want no fishing on me eyes all day, stressing me on make up. Pull up back again. Hey, hear me no man. And before me leave tonight, I just want to say to my brother and Vibes Cartel at the moment for the unity. So when the item come on stage, kill off one another in a love. Make sure that Jamaica got better off a morning. Because we done see we go on with the ground already. We done see the ground done are dead. And we not defend that. I love. But Joe back then of the Queen Ifrica when you go up on stage call for unity. And that's why them have me on you tonight because unity matters. Hear me I telling you something, Jamaica need fixing. Don't come go and let you your drink and the drink a trick you like everything alright. Everything not alright. Hear that? So I'm going to do my final song. I'm going to take you in the clash because I want to see it what they do. All of the real woman them in the audience do want to see no hand in the sky if you know you're a true lioness. And all of the lion them we know so you love lioness in your life go so too. Because we don't beg no friend after 2016 now. Are you ready? Are you ready? Wow, wow. When the roll is called up, Reggae Sumfest, yes! Yes! That is it. One more time. Are you ready? Are you ready? A jam rock. What are they? A public service announcement. Who for this? Marcy Chin or Shauna Chin? I want them, you know. You're part of something. Find them and give them back their ears ring. A goal. The run pretty thing. Run that. Lioness rising. Are you ready? Are you ready? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Well. Are you ready? Are you ready? If you know you love Queen Ifrica, let me see a wave of answer. I want to see all who love Queen Ifrica tonight in a Reggae Sumfest. I don't know everybody, but all who love Queen Ifrica. Go so. Go so. Go so. Cynthia, when the roll is hot, I love you so much, Sumfest. Big up on yourself.
Reggae Sumfest, make some noise for Queen Ifrica. 107 million you represent for dancehall, make some noise. But you want to go on Reggae Sumfest tonight? I spoke to SSD Carlos Russell. Boss.
Yeah, call me by my name, I am ready to roll. Once the rules remain the same.
One more time for Queen Ifrica.
Lift it.
And Reggae Sumfest.
I love you guys. Thank you. Thank you very much. See, I just want to tell the man them say, alcohol nice to drink, but it kill cocky root. See, and a 600 pick me alone born boy from what year. That means to say, the birth rate I go too far down, Rasta. I want the item to take care of the cocky root, no man. We love when it's hard and tough and strong, you know. Yes, you know. So drink with caution, no man. Yeah, because I know say tongue can stiff up, but it can't breathe, you star. Hear that? Yeah. Run it, let's sing this and left on stage. Yeah. Next year I have a boyfriend here. That is it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Reggae Sumfest, days of yes. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah, yes. When the roll is called up, Reggae Sumfest are standing tall up to face the darkest and the hardest of times. We're taking care of all the children thereof. If it's required, we day up on the front line. You can. I am ready to roll. Once how the story's been told. Call me anytime, I tell you that I never cop out. A lioness is on the rise, don't you ever have doubts. Never say never, willingness forever to fight and be strong, yeah. Once it's for better and right, every letter and moving right along. So tell them, say we are roll with the punches, accept changes, work with the formula, do what I got to do, and call me by my name. Take it down low. Go on, big up my design out of Canada. Suit nice, don't talk to it. Suit I go hard your fuck. Suit bad, Senior Kerry Martin, Jamaican, bad stylist. See that? Big up my makeup artist, big up my band. Dynamic in the sound system style tonight. Crocodile, see? Big up my label. Now Rush Records to the whole wide world. Hear that? I love you guys so much. Thank you for loving me. Sin, blessed love.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, make some